Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a new laptop. First, carefully unbox your new device, removing all protective packaging and ties. Connect the power adapter securely to a wall outlet, then plug it into your laptop to ensure it has sufficient power. After a few moments, press the power button to initiate its very first boot sequence. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup, allowing the system to prepare for the operating system configuration. Once powered on, you will encounter the operating system's initial setup guide. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language and geographical region. Next, it is important to connect your laptop to a secure Wi-Fi network using your password for internet access. Finally, create a new user account or sign in with your existing Microsoft or Apple ID. This personalizes your device and syncs your settings. Immediately after the initial setup, navigate to your system settings and run all available software updates. This step is vital for security and performance, often taking 20 to 30 minutes. Next, install a reputable antivirus program to protect your new investment from malware and potential threats. Lastly, configure a strong password, a secure PIN, or a biometric login like fingerprint recognition for quick, protected access to your device every day. With your laptop updated and secured, it is time to make it truly yours. Begin by customizing your desktop background, choosing a theme, and adjusting notification settings to your liking. Proceed to install your essential applications, such as your preferred web browser, a productivity suite, or creative software you regularly use. Finally, organize your files and create convenient shortcuts for frequently accessed programs, ensuring your daily workflow is efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.